I'm excited to share with you guys this 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400. I'll tell you what, this is a fantastic looking car. Love the 400 hood. It's got a 400 underneath of it, power in this baby. It's got factory hood tack. Great sound and dual exhaust. It's got a new chrome alternator, new chrome air breather, valve covers. Just a really nice running 400. Bottom of the hood is painted nice. This is a Firebird you can just jump in and enjoy. Now this one's got a FiTech fuel injection. It's also got a 4-speed automatic transmission, Brady. Really makes this fun to drive. It's got a aluminum radiator. I love the look of a 400 Pontiac, especially 1967. The front chin spoiler, the hood tack, and that bulge hood. Here's the sun, so you can kind of see. I mean, that metallic is just awesome. It's just one of the colors you don't see every day.
Yeah.
I love the choice of wheels with it too. Front bumper's excellent. So we go up and down, the gap's really nice. The back of the hood sticks up just a little bit. Not bad at all though. And there's a good look at that metallic paint. It's got a nice set of 18-inch 225 45 18s. It's got Boss rims, disc brakes up front, drum in the rear. No bubbles, blisters, just a really nice paint job. Probably, again, an older paint job, 5 to 10 years old, but it's something you can jump in and enjoy. Go to any local car show and be really proud of it. Again, you just don't see many of the 67 Firebirds, and you won't come across another one in this color. It's a gray metallic, but it almost looks like that iris color that you'll see in 1967 a little bit on some of the GTOs and stuff. It's just got a hint of that with that metallic.
And all the way around this car, the chrome shines excellent from the mirrors all the way to the bumper.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you anymore. It's a super sharp car, and that just a little bit of chrome. We could have went ahead and put chrome wheel well trim on it as well. We didn't. And then same with the spoiler. That'd give it another look. But the next owner can do that if they choose to. It looks good the way it is. Listen to how these doors open and close. Just a nice, solid Firebird. Corner of the door is awesome. There's your bottom of the door. Door panel, armrest, base is all in great shape as well. Even the Firebird, I like the door handles on them, are kind of cool. It's got a couple very, very slight cracks. It's right there in the middle of the dash pad. Rest of the dash all looks good. I like what they did here too with the cup holders. I mean, that's really nice. And they even got, like I said, it's got the 4-speed overdrive transmission, aftermarket gauges, Pontiac radio. And these seats almost feel like leather. Feel them?
Yeah.
I think they are leather. Pretty positive of it. They're definitely not vinyl.
One thing I've always wondered is, me as a kid, I guess I wouldn't know, but back in the day, why they never had cup holders, it seems like.
I know, and that's pretty cool. I mean, you can always take it out if you want, but that's awful handy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Headliner's nice. Dome light does not work when the passenger door is open anyway. We'll check it around there. It's got a great stance, trunk lid, fits beautifully. If you look up and down the sides, both sides are laser straight. Couple little chips right down here that have been touched up at the very bottom. Other than that, just very solid. Like I said, nice local car show quality driver paint job. Great stance, the back tires. We are running a 255 45 18 on the back. Driver's side door is good as well. Another nice thing, it's got tilt wheel. Seat belts in the back. for 2. It's got the GM seat belts in the front as well. Heater fan, all the dials and stuff are all there. They all move freely, but the heater fan does not work. Wipers don't work either. Oil pressure gauge, volt gauge, temp gauge all work perfectly.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it really does. Looks like speedometer works, gas gauge works. This thing sounds great.
It does. Not too loud.
Yeah, brakes work awesome, no pull left or right. It's nice to have that overdrive too, huh?
Yeah.
Nice car.
Man, that's good. The tilt wheel's nice.
Yeah, it does. Drives nice and straight. It's almost too hot today to have your window down.
Yeah.
The last Chevelle we were driving in, I got a little warm, but tilt wheel works nice. Indicators work good on the steering column. Just a really nice car. Like I said, a couple little things. The heater fan and the wipers don't work.
Mm-hmm. I love these years of cars, 67 to 69.
Exactly.
And the Firebirds did it like Camaros, like the same body style.
The Camaros have been so popular for a long time, but the Firebirds are starting to pass them up a little bit just because you don't see as many of them.
Exactly.
Fantastic car.
Great car.
Hey, now I'm in overdrive. We're going to go a little further. Because I was in drive. So that overdrive makes a big difference. I'm doing 72 mile an hour, doing about 2,400 RPM on the hood tack. So that's why they went with that 700 R4. Here's your brakes, no pull left or right, absolutely perfect.
Yeah, stops great.
Yeah, great car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. If you're looking for a really solid, just a fantastic looking 400 Firebird, this is it.